Stock rickets is attached to the Western Flyer. Ventana is attached to the Carson. We're tethered vehicles, right? So they're unmanned vehicles. The control rooms are in the boat. And we typically go out for a 10-hour day. So we're a day boat versus they are a multi-day expedition. So like they go out for 10 days. So the other main difference is they're rated for 4,000 meters and we're rated for 1,850 meters. So they're over twice.
Yeah.
And the main reason for that is because to go deeper, you have to transit longer through the boat, and then it takes longer to get to the bottom.
Everything takes longer.
Right, it's farther, the distance further, deeper and farther. And so if we went out to 4,000 meter sight, by the time we got there, by the time we got to the bottom, it'd be time to go back home. So that's kind of the main. Slightly bigger profile. What are they, 70 horsepower?
Them, it's something like that.
Yeah, we're 40.
That's about right. That's cool. That's an actual camera. Everyone else has their phone.
How do you talk on that thing?
Yeah, right.